Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by introducing you to minute reviews. Now, 1 second, let me get the clock started. What is a minute review? So you've all seen the tech reviews on this channel. You've seen the longer 8, 10, 15-minute reviews, but I thought it might be interesting to make a TLDR version of those reviews that come out right after the full review. So if you want to check out the full review, you have that option. But if you want the synopsis, you want the quick version, you want the highlights, maybe you're on the go and you don't have time to watch the full video yet, then you're going to have the 1 minute review. As the name suggests, all those reviews will be about a minute, 1 minute or less. I'm keeping time right now so that it'll just pluck out the highlights, the important things you need to know about a piece of tech, and then you can decide if you want to watch the longer review or maybe put that in your library, save for later, so you can watch the full review with all the details. I'm excited to share this new series with you and to get your feedback on it. And I'm going to have a minute review coming up right after this about the Sony a7C. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.